We merged our EasyWire software with our TouchOne tester to create EasyTouch, our most advanced benchtop high-voltage cable tester ever. EasyTouch has a built-in Windows 7-based PC, which means you get all of the functionality of a standard PC, such as Windows networking, USB ports to connect external devices, such as a mouse, keyboard, or barcode scanner, a VGA port to connect an external monitor, audio ports to connect external speakers, and since it's running Windows 7, you can use any type of printer or label printer requiring Windows drivers. The integrated PC and touchscreen display are connected to the test electronics of our signature 1100H Plus tester via a single cable, making it easy to service in the field should any hardware problems occur. Additionally, you can purchase EasyTouch software to connect a standard signature 1100 tester to your own laptop, desktop, or touchscreen PC, and run EasyTouch in this fashion. Signature 1100H Plus and EasyTouch testers come standard with 1500 volt DC capability, which means they meet all requirements of the IPC WHMA A620 standard for Class 3 assemblies. Optionally, you can order them with 1000 volt AC and 2000 volt DC capability. EasyTouch's full-color 10.4-inch graphical touchscreen display offers unparalleled functionality and ease of use. A full-screen keyboard allows you to edit directly on the tester. EasyTouch uses the same expansion boxes as the 1100H Plus and TouchOne, making it easy for customers to upgrade at much less than the cost of buying new testers. Get your hands on an EasyTouch today. Call 1-800-441-9910 or visit us online at www.cirrus.com.